What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let me go ahead and see those A's in the chat. If you can hear me speak, go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right away so that we can go ahead and get this thing started. Good morning, YouTube, and good morning to you all, and welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets right now, right? Because we're noticing some of these plays that have been playing earnings over the between 3:35 a.m. Pacific into just until around 5 a.m. Pacific, which is usually when you get these earnings to start coming out, right? There is something that I'm looking at personally here. Maybe not the biggest runner for the downside here, but it did get a pretty massive play here, just over 2 standard deviations on an hourly time frame here. So this may actually get a retracement down to maybe 1 3/4 points, right down into the area of about 87. It looks like 87.21 now, and with a higher probability or a lower probability into that 86.15, which is right in between the EMA 200 and the SMA 200. Not sure that it's going to give back all of which it's gained, but there is a potential drop coming in on this, right? So I want to make sure that you guys are very careful over how you play the markets today, because there's going to be a lot of market volatility, and I need you to at least for the green traders, right? For the traders that are not so advanced, I would highly recommend that you observe, maybe stay cash, right? So that you can take advantage of maintaining your portfolio before facing some pressures to the downside, right? So I would just express I would heed caution, right? So please be careful with this, right? We're noticing here. I know I'm using I really don't use this often, right? I was looking at my algorithm here. It's actually giving me a sell signal. We're already getting some pressure to the downside. Just to give you guys a quick little whatever. I did actually open short on this right at around 88.90, right? So this is I'm currently in the money just a bit here. So I want to see if we can actually get a continuation to that downside and cover position. This is an area right here where we can start seeing maybe a little partial out, but I have conviction that this can actually fall and retrace all the way back down to that 87.20 of the SMA 50, right? So be very careful how you practice in the financial markets today. Once again, okay, team, please. I cannot stress that enough to you. Please be careful, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just shift this screen over to my top side screen here, because we're going to take a look at a couple other things, right? I want to take a look at the broader markets with you. I want to see what the SPY is doing and see if we have enough time here before I have to get off in around 5 minutes, because please remember that these are just quick pre-market streams here, and hopefully I can use this time to pick up some of the stragglers that are still kind of waiting for to join the Arca Bulls trading team, right? So let me go ahead and ask Discord. Discord, do you guys see the trading screen by chance? I want to make sure that you do see that. I removed my my other screen on top. Sometimes it gets a little weird here selecting screens. So you know what? I'm actually dealing with some other. Yeah, good. Senor Pennington, thank you so much for answering that. So, guys, what I wanted to talk to you about is also, yes, Netflix, right? They have a good catalyst that actually just came out, push price action into a very high valuation in the 12-hour time frame. You're currently seeing price action at 494.98 in comparison to the 485.71 that we got at yesterday's traditional close. So there is, Galvin, thank you so much. We can definitely see the charts, right? We're good to go. So there is a catalyst here, right? Check it out. So this is a Netflix wrestling deal, lifts shares of WWE patent off the mat. So what this is that they have signed a deal with the WWE, and now they're going to be streaming the WWE content from the Netflix platform, right? So this is actually pretty good news for the asset, and this is the reason why you're getting some pre-market pump right now, right? So let's go ahead and pull up the 12-hour time frame on this side here so that we can see exactly how it's behaving, right? That was a huge move, actually. That move on Netflix actually surpassed the 2 standard deviations from the 12-hour time frame here. So yeah, that it actually went twice that, maybe even 4 standard deviations away, right? So there is a huge pullback here. I'm wondering if this is probably going to revert to a mean in a shorter time frame, right? Maybe around the hourly or 4-hour time frame, reversion to around this target here, maybe around the 487 to about 488.26, which is the top side of which is a prior day high, right? So if we're looking at prior day high, yeah, that could be rhyming with this mean reversion, 488.69 to around 487.16. Team, for the chat here on YouTube. Let me go ahead and just print really fast here. Quick little invite, right? Because I don't want to leave you guys in the dark, but I would love for you to come and support the Arca Bulls trading team. As you know that I'm going to be closing the stream here in just a couple of minutes. Go ahead and use that link there on a PC, on a computer ideally, right? So that you can join the Arca Bulls trading team and continue trading with me as soon as I go dark here in just a couple minutes, right? I want to make sure that I have at least a couple minutes to prepare for the continuation trades after market open, right? So just to give you a quick little visibility here, it looks like the team is starting to fill up right on this side, right? This is everybody, and we're speaking right here. Buzzman with his coffee. What's up, buddy? Good morning to you. Thank you, everybody, for coming on by. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the Arca Bulls team. Let's go ahead and just take a look at the ticker symbol SPY and see what it has for us today, right? Let's go ahead and switch right over. Zenon, what is up, buddy? Good to see you here. So SPY getting a massive pullback here from the hourly time frame. And this is a complete mean reversion from that top side that it faced at 484.63. Huge reversion here, likely to find some type of a bounce at 43.82. Okay, so if we do get a bounce from that 40.83.22, which is just about now, it would be because of the SMA 50 and the SMA 200 on the 5-minute time frame. I'm not sure that this is going to survive that mean. I will say that this may actually get a little retracement to start testing or validating the bottom sides of the SMA 5 and the EMA 9. Okay, as soon as this thing starts breaking down below the SMA 50, that would give us a kind of a, let's use it sort of like a symptom, right, for a potential pullback, right? So this may actually fail that SMA 50 and continue on to around that 483.45. So keep an eye on price action here, right? As soon as you start beating that SMA 200 or EMA 200, that's going to push pressure to the downside, okay? So keep an eye on that, team. So please remember that I want you to join, right? So please use that link and come over and join the Arca Bulls trading team so that we can, because I'm going to be trading in the dark right here, team, okay? So you can see right away, one more time here that the team is actually now filling up. You can see that the seats are really getting tight in there, right? So let me go ahead and just finish off the stream right here, team. Really appreciate everybody for coming on by. And if any questions or concerns, you know where to reach me. But yeah, John, love you, buddy. If you're not in there, I'll catch you in there a little bit later, hopefully, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and finish this off so we can get the prep for the 6:30 Pacific time open, right? So love you, team. Adios. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very good rest of your day. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.